welcome back to the episode 13, Unlucky for Some, the Cub Build. I'm back today because we're going to be replacing the panel on the back of my bike. Lewis is just a bit busy replacing some parts on the welder, and then we're going to get started. So we are going to be looking at my bike today, and that round. So this is the rusty panel, if you remember from the last episode of my bike. All the rust, that's all the holes, that's where we were drilling out the inside skin. There's the new panel there, so we're going to be chopping that one up. We'll cut it there, and then we'll cut it somewhere down here, and then replace, let's line it up, that bit. Oh, that's not very lined up, there we go. Replace that bit like that, and then put that nice flicky tail back on the end, and then it should be ready for shot blasting.
Okay, time to live up to all that hype in the first episode.
What? I don't know what you're saying to me.
Right, so we want to cut about here, okay? Don't go anywhere near that line. Actually, I'll draw it right there.
Can I put some gloves?
Yeah. Right, I'm giving you plenty of room on here. Ooh, just fell over. Okay, so that should be enough. I want to stay away from this edge so she doesn't chop it in half, because I don't have another one of these. And that will extend past that point. You can overlap the panels without the flange getting in the way. Yes. Here's a sneak peek of the 70, but you'll have to watch the episodes to see the rest of it.
I think we should turn it off. My thumb's leading on it, can you tell?
Yay! Oh.
Look at that.
More rust. Oh.
We're lining up the holes, the screw holes, so that we've got it in the right place.
That's not a hole there.
That is, there's a hole behind it.
Yeah, but you can screw it into this one.
Yeah, I know, but I need to move it like that.
Right, is that lined up there?
No, but it's going to be when I find the hole. And I'm just looking for it.
It's going to be a bit tight because you've got the thickness of the other skin on there, but you just have to manage.
Yeah, it just needs to...
Looks better already, doesn't it?
Which way am I doing it?
That's right. Just hold it by the head, it's cool. Easy. Not quicker. There we go. Don't rouge it up just yet. Get it near enough, nib it up, and then we'll adjust it back.
enough or a bit more?
Just so it's tight. Well, just snug it up.
Snug it up? What, like up against the panel?
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Right. Now we've got
But
it.
that's not.
Yes, I know. That's what we're doing now. So now we've got it fixed here. This is the correct point. We know that. So now we need to knock the back down until it's level with that. Then we'll put a couple of tack welds on to hold it, and then we'll chop through.
Now how do we knock the back down then?
Bit of wood, hammer.
If I had a hammer.
Turn the frame upside down and bang it on the floor. Okay.
Yeah.
Not quite. Right, we'll be back in 2. Thought you were working.
Yeah.
I'm going to put one of those Scooby-Doo back to when you were in the car going, I'm doing it all myself. So we've got it all lined up now. I've had to make a couple of relief cuts just to get the panel to sit down, so that's fine. All the lines are good. The arch is good. All lines up. So now what we're going to do is cut through the 2, and then that'll give us a nice butt join for the welding.
Butt join.
Put a good amount down, a bit more than that, so a couple of seconds.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, just don't touch where you've welded. That's it. So you want to do about 2 or 3 second bursts. Try and put some dots down, not lines. A bit longer than that. There you go. That's perfect.
Like that.
Okay, let's have a look. Right, you want to go a little bit longer. See how they're not burning in? They're sat on the top.
Right.
See if I've got any penetration. That's what she said. It's not bad though for your first attempt. I don't know why that's there. Right. If I show you this side.
Come on, let me just try it then.
Okay, go on in. Stop. That's it. So count to like 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Perfect. There we go. See how they're smaller now? You haven't got as much height because they're burning in.
Yeah.
So you'll probably have. Yeah. So you've got penetration on the back now. Perfect. So.
Should I keep practicing a minute?
If you want.
Yeah.
You're going to weld this.
Really?
Go for it. Yeah, welding practice over.
Right, so that's painted there, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're going to clean that up. All we have to do is put a tack in there, a good sized tack, just to hold it so when we cut it, it doesn't move.
So I'm doing that
Yeah,
from about here or from there.
like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Go for it.
What now?
Yeah,
Doesn't
yeah.
it need cleaning up?
No, it's clean metal on the edge. You're not doing a proper weld, it's just a tack.
What bit am I touching?
You need to join the 2 together. Right, that's perfect. So you're not trying to do it all in one go. You've missed it again.
I know.
But, yeah, just move it up now.
It's hard to see it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Is that better?
Have you got it? Yes. Right, perfect. Now we can cut it.
Are you sure that's enough?
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, nice top.
Okay, thank you.
Then you could buy those somewhere.
Oh, wow. Here we go. There's the finished hacked apart piece. Been brutally hacked apart. And then that is going to go like that. Ta-da! And then there's our new piece. And then we've just got to put the end back on with the little flick. And then we have to line that up. And then we'll weld it on. Yay!
But what about that inner piece?
Ah, what about that inner piece, you say? We're not sure about that. It's yucky. So, I think we're gonna buy a new inner piece. We'll either cut it and then weld a bit back on, or we'll try and replace it, but it might be a big jobby.
Well, it might be a big job you're already doing. so hard. Look at you.
Oh. Okay.
Right, there we go. We're going to have to replace that, aren't
chopped
we?
in there
Yeah, that's
now.
fine. We can weld that. Yeah, right, let's get it on. As this panel's galvanised, it just took all the galvanise away from the edge to stop any contaminants when welding.
Yes, what you said.
Right, get it tacked on. We'll start in the middle.
No.
Safety squint, don't worry. Right, just going to get the key areas. Very lightly tacked. Right, now if you feel that, feel like it's uneven.
Mhm.
So, trick is to get a hacksaw blade, which is the width of the cut, and then you can tack it and pull it in and out to get it right. One more in the middle. It's the next day and we're all ready to weld. So it's going to be Amanda's first time welding, we think. Oh, except for the practice yesterday. Yeah, let's see how you go.
Okay, wish me luck.
Right, so this is what I did yesterday, just tacked it up together. And now Amanda's going to seam weld it.
Well, I'm not very good at welding today. My welding experience is showing today. So,
It's your first time.
yes, it is my first time. It's very lumpy.
Nobody will buy this bike now.
Lots of worms coming out. Lots of worms walking along there. Jana? Oh. Yeah, so we're going to grind it down and then I'll have another go.
Fill in the gaps.
Yeah, what he said. Bye. So it's all polished. I'm not very good at this camera thing, but there we go. And the welds have been polished, so nice and smooth and flat. And then we're gonna, did you say we're gonna fill it? Do some filler?
Yeah, I need to do a filler.
Yeah, we need to put some filling in, and then we're going to put the back end there onto this. So we've got to drill some holes and do some spot welds, plug welds, and then the back end's ready. Yay!
Right. Right, back clicked on. Okay. So what I'm going to do, hold that on there and just fill it. If it looks like it's going to fall through, don't. But start off, get it really hot and then just go, that's it. It smells like old cars. Anyone who welds old cars will know what I mean. That's the end of this episode, guys. Remember, if you like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe.
Bye!
See you!